In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and pin elements on a Wix website using the powerful tools available in both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Let's dive right into it. First, go to wix.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, locate the site you want to work with and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix editor where you'll be able to make visual changes and updates to your website directly. Next, choose the page where you'd like to pin elements. You might want to keep in mind the purpose of each page and how the pinned elements can enhance the user experience on your site. Once you've selected your page, identify the element you want to pin to the screen. This could be a button, an image, a text box, or even a menu item. Essentially anything that you think should stay visible as users navigate through the page. Click on the element to select it. With the element selected, right-click and you'll see pinning options appear in the context menu. Here, click on Pin to Screen. This useful feature is designed to keep important elements consistently visible, such as logos or call to action buttons that you don't want to get lost in a sea of scrolling. Now, with the element highlighted, look for the Pin to Screen icon in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a small pin symbol. Click it and a positioning grid will appear. Think about the best place for this element based on its purpose. For instance, use the top left or top right if it's a logo or an important icon, the bottom right for things like chat buttons or a back to top feature, or the center for elements that should float gracefully over your content. Once pinned, drag the element to fine-tune its position and use the margin controls for precise spacing from the edges. Ensure that when you preview the site, it looks as refined scrolling down as it does when static. Also, consider styling the pinned element. Adding hover effects or resizing elements for both desktop and mobile views can make a world of difference. Remember to make sure nothing you pin obstructs crucial content on your pages. When working on a mobile site, switch over to mobile view in the editor. Pinned elements might not behave the same way, so adjust or even hide them where needed. Strategic mobile specific positioning can keep your site looking clean and professional. Finally, click on Preview to make sure everything looks just right on both desktop and mobile views. If you're happy with the changes, go ahead and click Publish so your updates take effect live on your website. And there you have it, a simple guide to effectively managing and pinning elements on your Wix website. This way, you create a cohesive, user-friendly experience that keeps important information right at your visitors' fingertips, literally.